Biology Chapter 5 Principle of Inheritance and Variation of Class 12. Part 6 Sex Determination. Autosomes and sex chromosomes or allosomes. The chromosomes that are involved in sex determination are called sex chromosomes or allosomes. They include X and Y chromosome. Autosomes are chromosomes other than sex chromosomes. Number of autosomes is same in males and females. The concept of genetic or chromosomal basis of sex determination came from the cytological observations made in a number of insects. Hanking in 1891 found a specific nuclear structure in a few insects during spermatogenesis. He found 50% of the sperm received this structure while the remaining 50% did not receive it. Hanking named this structure as the X body but could not explain its significance. Later it was found to be a chromosome and it was named as X chromosomes. The mechanism of sex determination are there in different organisms. There are three types of sex determination: XXXO mechanism, XXXY mechanism, ZZZW mechanism. XXXO mechanism. XO type of sex determination is formed in a large number of insects like grasshopper. Although ova or eggs bear on X chromosome with other chromosomes or autosomes. On the other hand, some of the sperms bear X chromosome whereas some do not. Here the females are homogametic, all eggs of one type, while the males are heterogametic, producing two types of sperms. When an ovum is fertilized by a sperm having X chromosome, the zygote develops into female. When the ovum is fertilized by the sperm that does not have X chromosome, the zygote develops into the male. XXXY mechanism. XY type of sex determination is found in some insects, example Drosophila, and mammals including males. ZZZW mechanism. This type of sex determination is found in many birds. The females have ZW chromosome along with autosomes and the males have ZZ chromosome and autosomes. The females with ZW sex chromosome produce two types of gametes in terms of sex chromosome, that is female heterogamy. In this case, the sex of the individual is determined by the type of ovum which is fertilized to produce the offsprings. Sex determination in humans. It is XXXY type. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, 22 pairs of autosomes plus 1 pair of sex chromosomes. A pair of X chromosomes XX is present in female. XY chromosomes are present in males. During spermatogenesis, males produce two types of gametes, 50% with X chromosome and 50% with Y chromosomes. Female produce only ovum with an X chromosomes. There is an equal probability of fertilization of ovum with the sperm carrying either X or Y chromosome. The sperms determine whether the offspring will be male or female. Sex determination in honeybee. The sex determination in honeybee is based on the number of sets of chromosome an individual receives. An offspring formed from the union of sperm and egg developed as a female, queen or worker, and an unfertilized egg developed as a male, drone, through parthenogenesis. Therefore, the female are diploid 32 chromosomes and males are haploid with 16 chromosomes. This is called as a haplodiploid sex determination system. In this system, the males produce sperms by mitosis. They do not have father and thus cannot have sons, but have a grandfather and can have grandsons. Part 7. Mutation. Mutation is a phenomenon which results in alteration of DNA sequence, resulting in changes in the genotype and phenotype of an organism. In addition to recombination, mutation is another phenomenon that results in the variation in DNA. There are two types of mutation: point mutation and frame shift mutation. Point mutation. Mutation that arise due to change in a single base pair of DNA is known as point mutation. A classical example of point mutation is sickle cell anemia. Frame shift mutation. Deletion and insertion of base pair of DNA causes frame shift mutation. The loss, that is deletion or gain, insertion or duplication of a segment of DNA result in alternation in chromosome called chromosomal abnormalities or aberration. Example, in cancer cells. Mutagens or mutagenic agents. The factors or substances that induce mutations are called mutagens or mutagenic agents. Mutagens may be of physical. Example, UV radiation, alpha, beta, gamma rays or X-rays. Chemical. Example, nicotine present in tobacco, mustard gas, formalin, acetic acid, formic acid, ammonia, etc. Or biological, for example, some viruses. Part 8. Pedigree analysis. The control crosses as performed in pea plant and other organisms cannot be performed in human beings. The study of family history about inheritance pattern of a particular trait provide an alternative. An analysis of a trait in several generations of a family is called pedigree analysis. In the pedigree analysis, the inheritance of particular trait is represented in the family tree over generations. The representation or chart showing family history is called family tree or pedigree. In human genetics, pedigree study is utilized to trace the inheritance of specific trait, abnormality, or diseases. Mutation is a phenomenon which results in alteration of DNA sequence, resulting in ZZZW mechanism. This type of sex determination is found in many birds. The females have ZW chromosome along with autosomes and the males have ZZ chromosome and autosomes. The females with ZW sex chromosome produce two types of gametes in terms of sex chromosome, that is female heterogamy. In this case, the sex of the individual is determined by the type of ovum which is fertilized to produce the offsprings. Queen Victoria was a carrier of hemophilia, so her family pedigree shows many hemophilic descendants. Thank you.